Now it's time for the next step. Instead of playing the scale horizontally along a single string, we will stay in position instead and play the first 6 notes of the C major scale like this. C, D and E on the B string, followed by F, G and A on the E string. Then move up to the next note of the C major scale, the D note, and play D, E and F on the B string, followed by G, A and B on the E string. Up yet another position, you get E, F, G on the B string, and A, B and C on the E string. I hope you start to see the logic of the sequence by now. For the sake of completeness, let me play you the following positions. F, G, A, B, C, D, G, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the next position C, D, E, F, G, A is the same as the starting position, just up an octave. You will be using different finger combinations in this exercise, and you will also need to visualize the scale formula in a more vertically oriented context.